Hi, I'm Natalie Woods, and this is your UFX Markets Week in Review. Today, we will cover some of the major events of the past week and discuss how they impact the global currency markets. Last Friday, a European Union summit was held where a majority of European nations supported a plan to increase measures to enforce budgetary discipline across the Eurozone. The deal was, however, vetoed by Britain and was seen as lacking the necessary immediate steps to stem the debt crisis. The euro weakened against the US dollar on speculation that leaders would face difficulties in maintaining anti-deficit rules, although it regained some of its losses. The president of the European Central Bank also decreased speculation that the central bank will step up the buying of bonds. Concern remains among investors that there is no indication of a deal which would enable the ECB to intervene more to stem the crisis, and about the lack of immediate measures to ease the Eurozone debt crisis. The euro closed the week's trading at the 1.3384 level, which is an increase of 0.33%. The British pound performed well during the week as the British Prime Minister stated that he would not risk the sovereignty of Britain to rescue the euro. The British pound was last seen trading at 1.5667, an increase of 0.25%. The Canadian dollar reached its highest point in 5 weeks on signs of increasing growth in the U.S., heightening investors' appetite for riskier assets. Data indicates that the economy of the U.S. is increasing in momentum, which is taking pressure off the Federal Reserve to buy more bonds. The Canadian dollar was last seen trading at the 1.0165 level, which is a decrease of 0.62%. In commodities, crude oil increased the most in more than a week after a report indicated that confidence among American consumers has risen to a high of 6 months, as leaders in Europe agree to expand the Euro Rescue Fund and strengthen budget rules. Crude oil was last seen trading at 99.41, which is an increase of 1.09%. Gold traders are more bullish as investors attempt to safeguard their assets against the increasing debt crisis in Europe by investing in the precious metal. Gold was last trading at the 1,710.70 level, which is an increase of 0.16%. Well, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you've enjoyed this week's review and you'll join us next week. For daily Forex reviews, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like us on Facebook and tweet us on Twitter for up-to-the-minute Forex news. Visit us at ufxmarkets.com for all your online trading needs. For UFX Markets, I'm Natalie Woods. Good luck and happy trading.